I wanna feel the sun, have barbecues. I wanna see my friends, the old and new. We'll turn on the game.
To look at solutions and not be restricted by the way things have always been done, and to come up with creative approaches and ideas.
To the golden nights and the empty trees.
Be able to go out when I want and come back when I want, and have my own key, and meet up with friends, mates, and be able to go out to watch rally, RIC rally in Wales.
But what else would help me was the support of other agencies that can help me transition from just doing voluntary work to actually paid, meaningful employment. That would help me a great deal.
I wanna feel the grass between my toes.
Just being there for me and letting me do things that I want to do, and they let me do that. There you go.
Bring you with me. I wanna hit the beach.
And being able to take risks and learn from my mistakes, and being able to handle the mistakes bit as well.
I get direct payment, so I can employ my family to help me, because I was a bit wary of having strangers coming into my house where my little boy is, so it's more comfortable for me to have my family helping me.
Beautiful day.
What would be the best thing is to move away from the PAs and paid support, and have lots of support of my family and friends, so that I can move on to be able to support somebody like me who's not as fortunate as me and not got as much support as me.
I'm waiting on a new build, and I don't know whether or not it's going to fully meet my needs, because the girls need their own space, I need my own space, and I don't know whether or not I'm going to get that. So.
I wanna feel the sun.
More friends, instead of being pitied, oh we better go and see Marion. No, not now, Marion will come and see you. That's far more to me, giving me a quality of life which I need. I feel I'm a good, equal part to everybody else.
And the empty trees, now full of life.
Inside the house we had carpets replaced with wooden flooring, which is very easy to get around on. It was quite difficult and impacted on my fatigue levels before.
Kids are out, safe to play, and it feels just like a beautiful day.
Your prime carer must be able to use the time they're given, otherwise the time is wasted. At the moment, if your prime carer wants to go on an educational course, if it's not vocational, leading up to employment, they have to pay a rather high price for it, and a lot of the carers can't afford this.
I wanna feel the grass between my toes. I wanna hear the birds as they come and go. And I'd love to fly if I had wings, and I'd bring you with me. I wanna hit the beach, the ocean air, and we'll let the sand get everywhere. We'll watch the sun as it melts away, and I smile just the same with you. Cloudless sky, summer days, feels just like it's somewhere. Kids are out, safe to play, and it feels just like